Welcome, faculty. It's Memorial Day weekend, and before you head out to enjoy the time with your friends and family, I wanted to leave you with a few tips for our summer session. Our calendar looks like this right now for summer. This Monday on Memorial Day, please record your academic activity for your current course. In order to do that, you will go into Faculty Center and click on Course Information. Make sure you select the proper term, Summer 2019. In this case, I'm showing spring only because that was the last class I had. And underneath, you should see the course. Make sure it's the right course and the right section number, and you will select this area, Academic Activity. And what should come up is a list of your students for the particular course you are teaching right now. You will mark yes for all those students who have demonstrated academic activity this week. Now, academic activity is considered anything that has the students providing either intro or active in some shape or form in the course, and they may have only done an introduction. That is considered academic activity. If you put a no in that category or an N, that means you have not seen that student present in the course whatsoever. So make sure that you qualify it correctly, and that is due on Monday. In terms of the other dates we have coming up, we also have summer grades will be due Tuesday, 11:59 on June 11th. Monday courses start June 17th for the Summer 2 session. And then you will also go through academic activity again on Monday, June 24th for Summer 2. Summer grades are due August 13th. And then the week of August 19th, I will be doing fall kickoff sessions for all the faculty to participate in. So that will be coming later on in the summer. Some other tips for summer sessions, as always, model the right engagement behaviors. Plan your engagement, provide individualized, consistent, and daily feedback. Ask those probing questions to ensure each student is understanding the materials and outcomes, and establish that dialogic relationship. This is about establishing relationships with your students and making sure that they understand the points, the SLOs of your particular course. Next, in terms of grading, just some suggestions. Please use UniCheck when the opportunity arises. That's our plagiarism checker. Also, I see many of you not take advantage of Canvas doc feature in which you can provide specific feedback within the paper itself. That is a really good feature, and it allows you to give that individualized feedback, going beyond just rubric comments and putting that feedback, highlighting strengths and opportunities. That is important for our students to get better and also understand the materials going forward. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. And keep an eye on those students who have limited activity going into the second and third week. That might be something that you will need to submit an early alert on if you see that limited activity. But for now, Monday, please record your academic activity for the first week and have a great and safe weekend. Take care.